Hello and welcome to this demonstration of the Bayfield Historical Web Map. The Bayfield Historical Web Map was created in 2021 for the Bayfield Historical Society. It is used to showcase historical maps, postcards, photographs, and videos associated with Bayfield, Ontario. The most important page on the Bayfield Historical Web Map is the map view that you see here. This map view can be used to do a variety of things, including view historical maps over current day satellite or aerial imagery, and select photographs and postcards by their location. To view a historical map, simply go over to the side here on the legend and pick your desired historical map. I'm going to click the Bayfield Town Plan from 1856, and you can see right away it is overlaid on my map view. You can zoom in to see more detail, including street names and lot numbers. If I want to compare this map to the satellite imagery below, I simply just need to take this opacity slider, and then I can slide it to the left to make it more transparent, or the right to make it more opaque. This allows me to see the streets as they were in 1856 compared to the aerial imagery from today. I can also overlay multiple maps. I'll also add in this town map from the Belden Atlas in 1879. And you can see now I can compare between the two maps by toggling the opacity slider. To view images using the map view, I simply need to click anywhere on the map where one of these green polygons pop up. So I'm going to zoom in, I'm going to click on the beach. You can see that right away I get a number of results associated with the beach that are ordered by date. If I want to see a closer view of the image, I can simply click on the image itself and then see it in a larger view. From here, I can zoom in on the image and pan around to see more detail. If I want to see some attribute information, I can click on More Information, and now not only do I get the image, but I also get a description, any dates, location, type of object, this is a postcard, and some other details. The Images tab here will show me a total of 5 images, and if there's a front and a back side to, say, a postcard, you can use the arrows to toggle between front and back, and then I can see more images by clicking Next. I can also filter my images by time, so if I'm only interested in images from between 1920 and 1950, I can use the sliders here, or I can click here, enter the date I want, and click Enter. Now I'm only getting images from between 1920 and 1950. If I'm interested in a particular location, I can use the address search to find it. For example, if I know that the address of the Bayfield Historical Society is 20 Bayfield Main Street North, then I can find it here in the address search and click Zoom to Zone. And it'll highlight it in red, and I can get any images and video associated with that zone. Additionally, I can search by any nicknames. For example, I don't know the address of the Fowley House, but I know that it's in Bayfield. So I can search for Fowley House, click Zoom to Zone. That is now the Village of Bayfield's bookshop. Lastly, I can search for different organizations within Bayfield, whether they be businesses or other organizations. For example, I can search for Pioneer Park and highlight locations associated with Pioneer Park over time. I can then click on that location, broaden my search, and see images associated with Pioneer Park. Right now, the Bayfield Historical Web Map contains about 400 images, with plans to add more in the future. So some polygons will have lots of images, and some will have less images or even no images.